Hi friends, Paul Fraser here again in the beautiful Rivervale neighborhood in Central Oregon, right along the Deschutes River. And you may have saw my other video. I had my listing just a block away. We're now pending on that one, but this property that I'm going to show you today is really a beautiful single level home, 2,550 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, with the 3-car garage, as you can see, but a gorgeous backyard with a built-in pool. And the whole yard is really just dialed and ready for entertainment. Let's go take a look. In the kitchen, you've got what you would expect at 1.5 million. This is a custom polish home. As I said, single level, but your finishes are gorgeous. You got this large range and hood, really gorgeous white granite backsplash. And you know, the finishes are so nice. The kitchen space works so good as we look here out into the main living room. And I can see right into the backyard and the pool, so it's just, in that regard, it's just what is there to not love about this space? You know, from the kitchen looking into the living room, it's just absolutely gorgeous. The size of this couch still does not make this room look small in any way. And from here, I'm looking out onto the patio where the pool is, and I'm going to be showing you that in just a minute, so don't you worry. So from the kitchen down the hallway, we can see master bedroom. Definitely want to show you the view here out onto, got the jacuzzi, got a really nice lap pool, fire pit. We'll get out there in a little bit. I'll show you more of that. So back here in the family room, I showed you one of the bedrooms right here coming in off of the entryway. Here into the 3rd bathroom, which is a full bathroom as well. And into one of the guest rooms here. I'll show you. Just a really nice space, great windows, and also you get the view, you know, going out. You know, last but not least, got to show you the outdoor space here, which is really nice. So first of all, look at this covered patio here. This is going to be so nice in the evenings because this is going to be shady in the evening, so you don't have that blaring sun hitting you. It's covered, so you could also enjoy this on a rainy day. And then you have the pool. Gotta love that. And it's really a lap pool, but it just, you know, it's like a large jacuzzi almost. But hey, you want it even hotter? Here you go. Nice jacuzzi space. And they did a really nice job on the outdoor space on this property. One thing I want to point out too is that this pool does have a cover. It's retractable, and that's going to be so important for so many reasons. Not to overlook the fire pit, a must in Central Oregon for those gorgeous evenings. And look at this space. This is going to be really cool. Here's Mount Bachelor and Three Sisters Mountains View. And so this is where the sunsets are. So you're going to have a beautiful sunset in the evening to enjoy your outdoor space. Let me know what your thoughts are on that. And as always, if you'd like more information on this gorgeous property or any others in the area or Bend, Oregon in general, you can always reach me at mrbendOregon.com. Reach out, give me a call. This property is currently for sale at the time I did this video at 2.55, I believe, million. And is a gorgeous neighborhood. I can get you all the details on it. Let me know. If you need more information, I'm happy to provide that. Like, share, follow, and I've got more videos coming if you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.